If you are facing verification issues on eBay after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review eBay's verification requirements. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Gather necessary documentation. Collect any required documents that eBay may request for verification. This could include a government-issued ID, proof of address, or payment information. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. Step 3. Contact eBay customer support. Reach out to eBay's customer support for assistance. You can do this through their help section, via chat, or by phone. Explain your situation and provide any relevant details to expedite the process. Step 4. Follow up on your requests. After contacting support, keep track of your request. If you do not receive a response within a few days, follow up to ensure your case is being addressed. Step 5. Attempt verification again. Once you receive guidance from eBay or have resolved any issues, attempt the verification process again. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and double-check all information before submitting. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on eBay. If problems persist, consider reaching out to eBay again for further assistance.